What's up guys, Andy from Greek's Garage, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset the maintenance required light in a 5th gen 2011 Toyota 4Runner. Now this 4Runner has the push start option, but this will also work with the turnkey 4Runners. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that your foot is off the brake. Next you're going to want to hit the push start twice to get on accessory mode. Next, you're going to want to hit the trip button right here and toggle through till you reach trip A. Now, once you get to trip A, you're going to want to shut off your ignition. Now, with the ignition off, you're going to want to hold down the trip button, and while holding it down with your foot still off the brake, you're going to want to put it back onto accessories. Now it's going to reset everything, and once that's done, you can shut off the accessory, start the car up, and you should be all reset. I hope the video helped you out, and if it did, hit that like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.